Mona don't play. Mona said, we getting ready at 7 o'clock and I'm going to be there at 6:45. Mona is ready. She is ready, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. Christina with a K. I forgot how to sing the song. Christina with a K, hey, Christina with a K, hey, 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 hey boy, hey girl, how y'all doing? How you feeling today? It is Black History Month, y'all. Woohoo! We got our 1 month for the year. Aren't you guys excited about that? Guys, I have another wig review for you today. I'm actually just going to jump right into this because this is a simple, easy plop and go, as you saw with the thumbnail. It's not too much. Let's just talk about this unit. So the unit I have for you today, her name is Mona. Mona. She is from Sensationnel. She's from Empire Wig, and she is 100% human hair. I'm excited about this one because I really like plop and goes, and for the most part everybody needs a plop and go. I mean, there's times where you just gotta run to CVS real quick, or run to Target, or run to Walmart, and you need something to put on your head. You can't find your hat, boom, you put your wig on and there you go. So this plop and go is really simple. She was really affordable, y'all. Like, she was under $20. 100% human hair wig. So I was like, I need to try her. So now Mona does specialize in more salt and pepper colors. It says salt and pepper right here. And she has a lot of nice, pretty colors that are kind of aged for more the mature woman. But you know, I go to bed at 9 o'clock, so I guess I'm an old lady. No, this wig is not for the old lady, but it definitely is for the more mature woman. So let's just go ahead and put her on and see what she looks like straight out the pack. Oh, guys, I'm really loving the texture of this wig. So I'm just looking at her. So inside the cap, she does have that regular around, like, full cap. She's a full cap wig. There are no combs on. Oh, there's a comb. There's a comb. Somebody lied to you, girl. There's a comb. So there's no combs in the front, but there is that comb right there in the back. So let's just go ahead and put Miss Mona on and see what she's looking like. So the air tabs right here, for beginners that don't know, these air tabs right here on the side actually help you with the placement of the wig. You know, like when I was really new, I didn't know that, so I just thought I'd tell you because this is a really good beginner friendly wig. So I'm grabbing the air tabs and I'm just kind of placing it on right above my ear, like so. Ooh, Mona! Ooh, Mona! All right, Mona. Look at Miss Mona. Y'all, let's go ahead and fix her up a little bit more. All right, Miss Mona, let's go ahead and fix you up. You know what, guys? This wig is like, it don't need much. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but she is really nice and feathered already, guys. I'm trying to get this lighting right so y'all can see it. She looks good. Fresh out the pack, y'all.
Rise up, soul. Romantic, 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 romantic. I'm on a romantic call. I'm talking to my baby down on me yard. I'm on a romantic call. I'm on a romantic call. I'm talking to my baby down on me yard. I'm on a romantic call. Watch this. Hello, mommy. Can I speak to Bobby? Cross the ocean. I'm feeling very lonely in my sleep. Mommy waking for me. I'm on the phone.
Y'all, Mona is cute. Mona is easy. It looks a little cuter when you kind of bring them little hairs to the front like that. So Mona is easy. Mona is cute. Mona is a diva. Alright, so this cap feels really, really good. She is big head friendly because me and my 23 plus whatever head, it feels good on. Some of my wigs that are too tight, like not even just too tight, just in general, I want to like just take them off in the middle of the restaurant. But this one feels so good, like I don't even feel like I have a wig on, to be honest with y'all. The features of this wig, it says she's soft, she's smooth. She definitely is soft and smooth, y'all. She's 100% human hair and she feels good. It says long lasting curl retention. I love the fact that these curls, I don't know if you could see it, but it's like already kind of feathered, y'all. Like she is ready out the pack and ready to go. Mona don't play. Mona said we getting ready at 7 o'clock and I'm gonna be there at 6:45. Mona is ready. She is ready, y'all. This wig feels so good. I'm really happy that I got her. At first I was skeptical because it said salt and pepper collection. So I was like, ooh, I don't know. But Mona's a diva. I don't really have much else to say about Mona. You know, I'm really happy that I got her. Like, for real. I'm going to be at work all week and they going to be asking me if I cut my hair. Yes, I cut my hair. And next week, I'm going to grow my hair 12 inches. That's exactly what happened. Me and Mona are best friends, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this unit. I don't have nothing else to say, y'all. Like, she won with me. She's good. She's a winner. I think, you know, these in the front, it's really short. So fresh out the pack, you know, you are going to have to just kind of maneuver the curls a little bit. But once you kind of play with the front, she's good. She's really good. Like, there's nothing to really do with this unit. The top hair, she reminds me of when I had my short cut. Let's look at the back. She comes down all the way down to the back. Let me know what y'all favorite short units are, or what y'all, I don't even know what to say. Mona just got me over here stuttering. Y'all, let me know how y'all feel about this unit. Until next time, beauties, I will talk to you later. Bye.